In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Confluence groups. Whether you're a team leader trying to organize your project collaborators or an administrator setting up your company's environment, mastering Confluence group management is an essential skill. So, let's walk through the steps to make your Confluence experience a bit smoother. First up, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, go ahead and search for Confluence in the search bar. You can either type it in or use a bookmark if you have one saved for quick access. After reaching the Confluence login page, you can either log in using your existing credentials or sign up if you're new to the platform and don't have an account yet. Don't worry, setting up an account is simple and doesn't take much time. Once you're logged in, you'll soon find yourself on the dashboard where all the action happens. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which we also call the cog wheel. This icon is your gateway to the administration menu, where most of the management magic takes place. Go ahead and click on it. Within the administration menu, find and select User Management. This area is the control hub for managing users and groups on Confluence. After you've entered the user management area, take a look at the options presented to you, and there you'll find Groups. Click on Groups to reveal a list of existing groups. Now, if you're planning to set up a new group, there's a straightforward way to do this. Look for the Create Group button, and when you click on it, a prompt will appear asking for a group name and description. Take a moment to enter the details accurately, as this will identify and differentiate your group from others. After this, you can either add initial members right away or save your changes and add members later. To edit an existing group, click on the name of the group you wish to modify. This action takes you to a detailed page where you can add or remove members as needed. If you're adding users, you can search for them by name or email address. If you want to add multiple users at once, separate their names or email addresses with commas, and they'll be added collectively. On this same page, you'll also have the ability to manage their access not just to Confluence, but to other connected Atlassian products like Jira. It's a great place to ensure your team members have the necessary permissions to collaborate effectively across your projects. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be able to manage Confluence groups confidently and efficiently, ensuring your teams are organized and primed for success.